Guys, to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, we're guiding you guys on how to model this Hilux bucket. So let's get started. Let's work with a right plane, center rectangle. So let's add our dimension. So let's keep here construction. Okay, let's just keep everywhere construction line. Three-point arc. So let's add our dimension. Let's make some adjustments. Let's delete this line here, connect this to this. So we have this. So let's close this. Go to features, reference geometry plane. Let's select a right plane. Let's give it a distance. Let's just work with the shell. Let's close it. Extrude. Edit my sketch 1. Extrude. Using a mid-plane condition. Mid-plane condition of 1843.7. So we have this. So let's shell it. Let's use shell thickness of 3. Let's edit our shell. Let's select here. So shell here. So we are good to go. Let's sketch on this face. Let's make it horizontal. Let's add our dimension. Let's use a surface extrude. Condition of up to surface. So we have this. So let's sketch on this face. So Ctrl 8. Go to 3-point arc. Let me add a midpoint line here. So let's extrude using a blind 356.85. So let's make some adjustments here. Let's edit this sketch. Let's still make some adjustment. Let's increase it. So we have this. So let's shell it. Let's simply sketch on it. Convert entity. Simply click on this edge, convert entity. So we have this. Ctrl 8. Let's offset radius of 4. Reverse direction. Okay. 354, 355 rather, 355. So let's fillet this edge. Fillet rate is too much, so let's make it 1. So I have this now. Let's mirror it. Go to mirror, click on features. From here, mirror about right plane. Let's work with body. So we have this. Now let's sketch on this face. I'll simply rotate it to this face. I'll go to sketch, circle, I'll sketch here. Let's add our dimension. From here to this point. Three two 9.35. So 59.98. Diameter of 15. Center line. I'll simply mirror it. Mirror entity. Mirror about this sketch. Go to features, extruded cut, keep it on through all boats. Okay, let's go to surface. Let's close this. Let's give this a thickness of 3. So we can easily edit our sketch. Extruded cut through all boats. So we have this cut. Let's go back to our shell, or shell 1. Let's also shell here. So we have this now. Let's work with this. So let's change the appearance. So we have this. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.